In this video, we'll learn about the property class, but let's first provide a motivation for it. We have here a simple class, the person class, which has a full name as an attribute, as a parameter. For simplicity, we assume it is just a couple of words like Mustafa space Saad, so just two words with a space between them. And this class is an infrastructure class. So after some time, there are many teams that use this class and depend over it. As a background, the word infrastructure or an infrastructure team is very common in big companies like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. In these companies, we would like some of the very common utilities and very common classes and packages to be implemented so that everyone is depending on them. You can imagine how sensitive this infrastructure projects. From one side, the dependency. There are too much dependency on these classes. If there is a change in one of these classes, it will cause a big problem in the whole system. Also, the speed and the efficiency, overall the performance of this infrastructure is very critical for the overall of the system. Let's say that days go, and then we decided that the design that have a single full name variable was a bad design, and then we decided that we need to have actually like a first name and last name in an explicit way. We still can maintain the old full name variable and just convert to lower and split to two words, and this is an easy thing. But however, we still have a big incompatibility issue. Incompatibility means that all the things doesn't work with the new updates. You might buy, for example, a new laptop to your home, and then you discover that your printer doesn't work with your new laptop because the laptop is now didn't consider the old definitions of the, for example, old printers, and so on. So what's going to happen here is all the code is going to fail and causing for us incompatibility issue. The property class is one way to solve this problem. Specifically, we are going to provide these guys with a full name attribute, but in a virtual way. The property class requires three things. You need to provide a getter method, or what we call an accessor. It's just a method that returns a value of the target attribute, which doesn't exist. And also provide a setter method, which is a function allowing us to take a value and set it. And then you create a property object and pass the two things to it. This is all a lot of theory. In the next in the next video we'll learn more about that.